Hi guys, we're here today to introduce our brand new Blackwater silencer system, which on the contrary with major other manufacturers of this kind of equipment has release and mount system universal for an AR platform that we have here. Anything that will have a bird cage, so-called M2 flash hider, will quick mount and release our new silencer system. The silencers are made of outer stainless steel tubes and mount rings, and either aircraft 7075 Ergal aluminum cores or titanium grade 5. The two versions are for semi-auto fire and full auto fire respectively. Okay, now we will see how we can fast latch detach our Blackwater silencer system on an AR M2 flash hider standard. I'm leaving the magazine intentionally in the weapon to reproduce quick action in the battlefield. That is how fast you can latch on the silencer. This is on a 223 weapon. Okay, now we're going to try the new Blackwater quick mount silencer in 223 on an AR platform. We will do in a very tight closed ambience here. First we'll try without suppressor, and in a single take we'll assemble the suppressor and try with the suppressor.